Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Letting Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video, and this is going to be about 5 favorite makeup products. Now if you don't know, I talk a lot on my channel about makeup products and skincare products that I like, I don't like. I keep reviewing products here and there, left, right and center. If you are that person who's interested, kindly go ahead and subscribe. But today we are going to be talking about 5 makeup products because wedding season is here and we definitely need to get our hands on few very beautiful makeup products. So here are my suggestions, and also I'm going to give you an in detail review of each of this product because I've used them for a while and I will tell you why I like them. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So the first product I'm going to be talking about is a foundation. Now I don't see a lot of people talking about foundation these days on the internet because people have got into that natural looking skin and good skincare and all of that, and doing their base with concealers. As much as I love that and I do that a lot, but I think during wedding season we definitely need to have at least one good foundation in our vanity, and since we are into that natural looking era, this is the perfect foundation. I am talking about this Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This is for normal to combination skin. It's matte and long wearing. That is what it claims. It is definitely long wearing, but it is not matte. It gives you that nice dewy kind of look, and this is perfect for your natural looks that you want. This foundation comes in 15 shades, I think, which is pretty good for an Indian foundation, and it retails for 599 rupees, but you will majorly find this on sale. Right now on Pink Friday sale, it is retailing for 419 rupees, I think, which is very good for a foundation this big, right? I am using the shade Vanilla 02 for me, and I think it works really well for my skin tone. That way it works best both ways, and I like how it gives that nice sheen, nice dew to my skin, and I'm not looking sweaty at the same time. So I love this foundation. Coming to the second product is this one. Everybody knows about this product. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This comes in 39 shades. 39 shades. It's very long lasting. I have been using this for the longest time I remember. When I started getting myself into makeup, like full-fledgedly into makeup, this is the thing I'm using since then. I use the concealer for contouring my face. I think it gives a very nice chisel to my face. If you see, it blends out like a dream. Everything blends into everything, and at the same time it gives that right amount of pigmentation, so you don't have to pick too much of product. What I do is I take it on the back of my hand and then distribute it evenly and then start contouring my face. That way it is very easy to blend and it gives you that right chisel that your face needs. By the way, this retails for 591 rupees. The actual price is 695, but on sale right now it's for 591 rupees. So I think this is one product that you definitely should spend your money on. You might like this as a concealer, as an under eye concealer or a color corrector or things like that, because the formula is really good. Coming to the blush, obviously I have to talk about a cream blush because nowadays everybody loves cream blush. I am talking about this Love Earth Be The Change Multi-Pot. I love this blush. I love the amount of pigmentation it gives and the shades. I love the shades it has. I have 2 shades with me. This one is very pretty mauve, pink, peach kind of a shade, and you see, I use this very often in my videos. If you follow me and you see my videos, you definitely know I use this very often. I have other really high-end cream blushes, but I don't reach out to them as much as I do for this one. This looks great on a bare skin, but at the same time it looks great on your makeup. It doesn't move your makeup, it doesn't move your foundation, but sits very nicely for a very long time. This retails for 269 rupees. So I think this is really pocket friendly. Coming to the powder, we are in the era where people love natural looks and at the same time they love having that filter on their skin without actually putting filter, and that is what this one does. This is verified IRL Paris Filter Airbrush Powder. I love this powder. I love the packaging of it. I love that it retails for 1099, but it goes a really long way. It comes with a mirror and there is even this sponge to apply powder evenly, and if you see, I have already hit pan. So from that you can make out how much I love this powder. It gives a nice filter to your skin and it doesn't cake up too much. That is what I love about this. It blurs out my pores, blurs out my texture, and even makes my makeup last longer. So it's all in one. It's a setting powder, it's a makeup setting powder, everything, you know. It is a blur to your face and all in one. Whatever you can expect from a powder, this does that for you, and that is why I love it. I know I have gone a little above budget because I was talking about makeup under 1000, but this is 1099, but in sale obviously you'll get less than 1000 rupees. So you can always go and subscribe to the newsletter and you'll know when the sale is going on and you can get your hands on it. Trust me, this goes out of stock very soon. So go ahead and try this and put this on. You know, this is also very good for everyday use when you don't put makeup. Like I don't put makeup every day, obviously, when I'm going out and things like that, but I still do my sunscreen and skincare and all of that. So on top of that, to set everything on place, this is also really good for that. Coming to the mascara that has changed at least my mascara game. This is mascara by Mars. This is double trouble mascara that lengthens and volumizes your lashes. If you see, my lashes don't have false lashes right now, but at the same time I don't feel the need of it because I go very natural with my false lashes. I don't put that heavy mink lashes. But I think if you are that girl who wants to go things natural, this is going to give you that false lashes effect. So go ahead and buy this because this retails for just 249 rupees. If there's one thing that you want to buy from Mars, I think that should be this mascara. It comes with lengthening and volumizing stick. If you see the lengthening stick and volumizing stick, both the brushes look very different from each other and they perform really well. This definitely lengthens your lashes and at the same time it also volumizes and gives you that false lashes effect. And guys, this is how everything is looking with my full face on, and I think everything is looking pretty good, right? If you're interested in this eye look, I'm going to link it here. Go ahead and check it out. And that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da.